Sun climbs slow on a red clay ridge, coffee strong in a chipped tin can. King James cracked on the dash of a Ford, dust baked deep in the leather and tan. He tilts his brim to the waking sky, says, Lord, you sure love this land. Feels that wind move across his face like mercy through weathered hands. He says, I bet God wears a cowboy hat, brim throwing shade like mine, dust on his boots from walking these broken fence lines. If you made me in your image, there's proof in how I act every time I tip my brim. I'm looking back at that. He's mended more than barbed wire breaks. He's stitched up wounds you can't see. Laid his father in frozen ground under one bare cedar tree. Still talks to heaven in pasture hush before the sun turns gold. Says if you carry laws like this, then you know how a man holds. He says, I bet God wears a cowboy hat, brim throwing shade like mine, dust on his boots from walking these worn out fence lines. If you made me in your image, there's proof in how I act every time I tip my brim. I'm looking back at that. Maybe in stained glass cities they see him robed in white, high above in golden halls far from Saturday night. But out beneath this open sky where faith don't need a show, if he shaped these hands from his own, and he knows the work I know. So I believe God wears a cowboy hat, brim throwing shade like mine, dust on his boots from walking and these long hard fence lines. If he made me in his image, there's proof in how I stand every time I tip my brim. I'm holding his right hand. Sunset falls on a red clay ridge, head in hand he bows his head. Thank you for this stubborn soil and the life these